Hey, amazing teachers! Ever wake up and think, I have 10 minutes before class and no plan? But I do have a folder of memes. Perfect, because today's tip is a lifesaver and a laugh generator. Start your class story with a meme. Yep, one image, no prep, maximum engagement. And yes, it works, even if it's that distracted boyfriend meme for the 800th time. Here's the move: project a meme and say, okay, who are these people? In the target language, of course. Let students name them. Now ask, what's happening here? What does he want? Why is she angry? Suddenly you've got characters, a conflict, and possibly a soap opera. Add dialogue, toss in a llama if you're feeling spicy, and there it is, comprehensible input born from chaos. Pro tip: keep a CI meme bank folder ready at all times. Your future self will thank you. And this works for beginners or advanced students. It's all about the language you use. You control the grammar and vocab, they just bring the laughter. And hey, want to check if your CI storytelling game is on point? Take the CI proficiency quiz to see if you're a meme magician or just fluent in mayhem.